Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly BOXYCHARM unboxing. So I just got this in the mail literally 10 minutes ago, which is why I have like no makeup on and I just have eyebrows and some lingering mascara. I was working all day today and then I came home and I was supposed to get this earlier, but I didn't. So it's late and I'm filming this. So I apologize for that. But without further ado, let's get into the box. So pretty much, if you don't know, BOXYCHARM is a $21 beauty subscription service. You sign up for it monthly and it comes to your door with 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Usually it's 5 full-size products, and then if there's any extra, it's a travel-size product. I've been getting BOXYCHARM for over a year and a half and I love it so much and I've seen it grow so much. So I will leave a link to their site down below and let's just unbox this. I got my face razor that I use. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself with this one day. It comes in one of these cards, and just so you know, I have variation 2. There have been quite a few variations with this box and I'm really excited for that because that's what I miss the most about like old school, like 1.5 years ago BOXYCHARM, was there was a lot of variation, so it was like a surprise every month like what you got. The theme for this month is Boxy Road Trippin', so all of these products will have to do with that theme. And the first product in the box is this. This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This retails for $24 and it says, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new lengths. Literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. I love getting mascaras in boxes because mascaras are my favorite beauty product of all times. So I'm very excited to try this. It is a full-sized tube. I love the packaging. I kind of like that it's in a squeezy tube. I feel like in the hard tubes there's always leftover mascara like right at the bottom and you're like, I can't, how do I use this? But this way you could just like push the product up. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this. This is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And this retails for $26 and it says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Oh, so the product is in this side of the... There's like very little product in here. I've never used cream product in my brows. Like the shade looks like it is a good undertone for my eyebrows, so I guess I'll try it. I mean, obviously I'm going to try it. This for $26 though, it seems like you get no product. Like the Anastasia brow pomade, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I feel like you get a lot of product for $24, $26, whatever it is. This is like this much of the product. And it's in like a spherical, it's this much of product, you're getting that much product. I feel like that's a little expensive, but I guess I'll see if I like it or not. Okay, the next thing in this box, oh, I'm so happy for this. Okay, the next thing in this box is the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Active Vitamin C Mask with Echinacea Green Envy. So this retails for $38. I've been dying to try the brand Pharmacy. I've been dying, but I haven't bought them yet because I don't have a Sephora near me and they don't sell them in Ulta, and that's just like a lot of places to drive to not know if I'm gonna like the product. So I'm really excited for this. It says, watch magic happen as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin, turning from purple to green. What? I gotta try this. The Pharmacy Bright Mask removes impurities and buildup while improving your skin's brightness, texture, and tone. Since I have no foundation on today, I guess you guys can see like my skin is not as great as it usually is. So I'm excited to use this. I'm excited. Is it really gonna turn from purple to green? I'm excited to find this out. I may be the most excited for this. Can I smell it? I'm gonna open it and smell it. It smells like eucalyptus. Look at me knowing what eucalyptus smells like. Okay, so the third product, no, that was the third product. The fourth product in the box is this, and this is from Note Cosmetics. Now, I saw and got things from Note Cosmetics when we went to Gen Beauty, Tess and I, in the city last year, so I have heard of this brand before. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and this says, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat. Perfect for the charmer on the go. Get it? Because our theme is road tripping and we're on the go. Okay, so I have the shade Desert Rose. It looks like this. This is really pretty. I'm going to swatch this. This feels super soft. Wow. This is very pigmented because I just swiped it over like 2 times and I'm getting all this product. This looks really, really pretty. I've actually been wanting to, and if you like, I can't do it now. Okay, so it looks like this, and then you're like, whoop, and there's the brush. 3-in-1. I don't think I'll be using this brush. It feels a little rough, but I like the secret compact area. I just think it's cool. I have been wanting to try more blushes. I feel like I never ever stray from my Tarte Exposed, but this is the perfect opportunity to try another blush. So this retails for, did I already say that? If I didn't, this retails for $11.99. Definitely did not say that. Note is a pretty affordable brand, so that's exciting. And the last item in the box is this palette. Alright, this is from Crown Pro. This is the Fuego eyeshadow palette. This retails for $29.99. I did see this tease. I saw all the teasers this month, but I genuinely didn't know what I was gonna get. Oh, this feels a lot nicer than I thought it would. I don't know why. I just assumed this wouldn't feel as nice, but so this is what it looks like. Automatically, I know everyone's been saying this, but it really does just look like the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, but it crown brushes. The mirror on the back is not the greatest. I'm trying not to blind you guys. The mirror on the back is not the greatest. It's kind of small, and the packaging does feel a little cheap. I feel like I never want to close correctly. But this says it is made up of rich warm tone shades. This creamy high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks with 4 shimmers and 6 matte shades. Actually, you know what? I'm going to swatch a matte and I'm going to swatch a shimmer. I think I'm going to swatch this one here. Oh my god, this feels so soft. And I'm going to pull the one right on top of it. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, I will say the matte came off a little bit powdery, but this is the matte shade and this is the shimmer shade. That's insane, and I have so much left on my fingers here that I used to swatch with. I'm surprisingly really excited for it. I saw someone unbox this on their channel. I think it was Kathleen Lights, and I was like, I could do without this, but I don't know, seeing it in person, it's just something that I feel like I use all these shades all the time, and so I will get used to this. And since I felt the shadows themselves, they feel really, really nice, so I'm excited to give this a shot. Okay, so that is everything we got in the box for this month. Let me just total it all together so we see the total value. Okay, so the total value for this month's box is $129.98. I just rounded it up a cent, so it's $129.98, which is crazy because if you guys remember, this is only $21. So that's super cool. As always, I do a BOXYCHARM product review, so even if you guys don't get the box and you watch these unboxings and you're curious about the products we get inside of it, because sometimes we get products that aren't launched yet. Like last month we got a liquid lipstick in the shade Verona from Ofra, which had not been launched yet. So sometimes we do get new products, I guess, to see how they test out and how they work. I will leave my thoughts on these in that video. I think the thing I'm most excited for is this pharmacy mask. I actually might go put it on right now. I think I'm gonna go put it on right now. Okay, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.